Alright, now we are going to begin our next topic, which is producer theory. And this topic is going to last maybe for the next 5 sessions, right? Now, my first question is, what is the objective of any producer? Remember, we're talking about a capitalistic economy. What is the objective? कोई भी producer क्या चाहता है? To make more and more profit, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा profit कमाना. In the parlance of language, we say what is the objective of any producer? To maximize his profit, right? What is the formula for profit? What is the general expression? Revenues minus cost. So the objective of any producer is basically to maximize this expression, revenues minus cost. Now, there are two types of profits. The two types of profit. One is the profit which you study in your accounting courses, that is known as accounting profit. The other is a type of profit which we study in economics, that's a separate profit. It is known as economic profit. What is the difference between the two? In order to understand the difference between the two, we need to study different types of cost of running a business, cost involved in running a business. There are two types of cost. एक होती है आपकी explicit cost. Explicit cost किसको बोलते हैं? Explicit cost in which some cash disbursement is taking place, कोई पैसा खर्च हो रहा हो, in which some monetary payment is taking place. Cost in which some cash disbursement is taking place, some monetary payment is taking place. So let's suppose if a producer is paying wages to his workers, then those wages are explicit cost. If a producer has purchased a building on rent, then that rent is an explicit cost, right? So wages, rent, these are all examples of explicit cost. There is another type of cost which is known as implicit cost. Implicit cost क्या होती है? Implicit cost is the opportunity of earning some money that you have lost. It is the opportunity of earning some money that you have lost. For example, just assume that, let's say there is a person who sets up a restaurant, who opens a restaurant. If instead of opening a restaurant he has worked for a company, then let's say he could have earned 50,000 rupees. This 50,000 rupees is his implicit cost, right? The cost of earning some money, the opportunity of earning some money that he lost because he rather decided to open a restaurant. So it is the opportunity, now you'll have to ignore all the voices in my background because it's really not possible to control. Ask everyone in the family to shut their mouths. Not possible. Opportunity cost of earning some money that you have lost, right? For example, let's suppose in this example which I just shared with you, rupees 50,000, what is this, is the implicit cost. Rupees 50,000 is the money which you could have earned had you worked for a company instead of setting up a restaurant. So rupees 50,000 is the implicit cost of running the restaurant. This is the money, the salary. This is the salary which the restaurant owner could have earned had he worked for a company instead of opening a restaurant, right? So I'm sure now the difference between explicit cost and implicit cost is clear. Implicit cost क्या है? Monetary payment. कोई भी monetary payment हो, वो आपकी cost है. Monetary payments that you do monetary payments that you are making to your factors of production, ऐसा भी बोल सकते हो. ठीक है? Payment made to your workers, payment made to providers of capital, यानी rent, wages, all these. Provider of लेबर सर्विसेज को आप वेजेस दोगे, प्रोवाइडर ऑफ कैपिटल सर्विस, कैपिटल को आप रेंट दोगे, ऑल दीज आर एक्सप्लिसिट कॉस्ट. Implicit cost क्या है? Opportunity cost, right? Now coming back to our main topic, accounting profit क्या है? Accounting profit is calculated by subtracting only explicit cost from revenues. Revenue minus explicit cost is accounting profit. Economic profit क्या है? Economic profit is calculated by subtracting both accounting and economic profit. I have a very bad throat right now, so you people have to excuse me for that. Calculated by subtracting both accounting and economic profit. Just let's take an example. Let's take that same example. The person was opened up a restaurant. Let's say revenue per month is rupees 200,000, 2 lakh rupees, right? And the explicit cost that he has to incur per month, any wages he has to pay, rent he has to pay, is rupees 50,000, right? And his implicit cost, let's suppose instead of opening a restaurant, had he worked for a company, he could have easily earned rupees 50,000. So his implicit cost is also 50,000, right? How will you calculate accounting profit? Revenues 200 minus your explicit cost. That's it. This will give you your accounting profit. Guess it? 200,000 minus 50,000. This is your accounting profit. Revenues minus explicit cost. How do you calculate economic profit? 200,000 your revenues minus explicit cost minus implicit cost. Right? When calculating economic profit, you have to subtract the opportunity cost as well, the implicit cost as well. That's the difference between accounting and economic profit, right? So what do you notice? What is the observation that you make on the basis of this calculation? That economic profit is always less than accounting profit. Okay, whenever it's important to mention this, whenever implicit costs exist, right? Implicit cost का concept clear है? The opportunity of earning some money that you lost because you decided to do some other thing. So when you will be doing that other thing, so that implicit cost will be added. अभी जो restaurant owner था, इसने ये जो इकोनॉमिक प्रॉफिट है, ये इसके रेस्टोरेंट बिजनेस का इकोनॉमिक प्रॉफिट है. उसमें उसने 50,000 की वो कॉस्ट भी डाली जो सैलरी, the opportunity that he lost of earning 50,000 had he worked for a company. He is treating that lost opportunity as a cost. So this is the accounting profit of running restaurant, and this is the economic profit of running restaurant, right? That's it.